if I draw, guess I have been or not. Okay, bad drama. Oh, wow. Yes. I'm on Agawaga. Oh, wow. Huh? I saw that go. Oh, wow. Mama guy is not nice. He can't go. I'm not out to the money better travel.
Imagine traveling home for Christmas with your children only for them to spend the night on this road, afraid, cold and confused. For a country like Nigeria, Africa's largest economy, a nation full of hardworking, resilient people, are the citizens truly meant to go through this kind of stress? Is it too much to ask for good road, for traffic management, for planning during peak travel season? Other countries prepare for their holidays, but here we brace ourselves for survival. If you go to Ore Lagos Road, it is still the same story. Go to Nasarawa Abuja Road, it is still the same story. Looking at this video now, I don't even know what to say. If this country hasn't stressed you, you have not truly lived here. This is Abuja Lokoja Road, the road leading to Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory. Most of the people that are traveling from the north to the south and people that are traveling from the south to the north pass through this road. And this is around 1 a.m. and you can see how people are stuck here. I traveled from Enugu to Abuja, and on getting to this road we realized that the road was blocked, and we spent around 8 hours here before we were able to make it out of this hold up. This is something that never should have happened, but this is Nigeria. What was I even expecting?
I leave Abuja 11 o'clock. I reach Abuja 5 o'clock. Who the boy start from Jegu, from Kutu.
Yeah, maybe like that.
This is 11 p.m. and we are still stuck here in Lokoja. Left Enugu by 6 a.m. and up till now we are yet to get to Abuja.
But why? How the car take this? Dust abeg. Dust be like powder.
I think these motors come to here.
Nah, waiting at the house. Waiting carry the electric. Our another escape now in the comfort.
I thought say the car no get charger.
Yeah, they require here.
Where this motor dey go again? Na only intervene.
Abeg oga.
Road where they follow again, the other see
Oga, abeg, I fit just turn my phone small abeg. Abeg.
Why you can't enter internet the chat? You see?
No, I no enter internet dey chat o. Serious.
Okay, babe.
If I even see power bank, I fit buy it. But take power bank for traffic na any plenty pass.
You all know the show like TV the chat.
No. I get power. My visa call.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah, the vehicle come in that place. Does not go through standard test.
Yes,
Does
no.
not pass standard test.
None of them will settle down that they want to do design from beginning to ending. None.
And they talk say 10, 11, 12. I just laugh. You know, I don't want them to say front 9 1 fast. I don't want to put no for.
My mom just asked me, say other people there inside the cat.
I don't just want them to say when they front 9 1 fast.
Jesus.
So waiting without already pass, not be even anything.
This one only like stagnant something.
It's in there for 6 hours. Nothing cost. Waiting cost her.
That time when they come within the road, when did they do? Now it cost them. So we talk shoot here, we pass go. Even the day we move to the bomb self, go through no day like this. I want to like the bomb here. Go through no day like this.
This guy, he put the boss, since he have a soldier.
This civil defense will not allow more about them. They are going to make. They are block like ever. Who's I can't go since.
That motor way they inside that dish now fall it for.
What the driver?
Name media homes go to Nugba. Ya cheru, ya Ghana, Oshion, ya cheru, ya Ghana. All people may need motor need.
People there inside the vehicle.
If you ever get to Bunya Hani Meva.
I've said the motor. I said, I know before this motor fall inside this place.
Why you take I pointed the motor.
Mira de
Million assassin. Okay, yes, you say that you take a bio, you say, guys, you got to be there.
Umba question that I won't know Makata. That first was a cocoa boy. Even I did cook. It could be I want to put on Facebook because of here. Because now, watch a big call that time. That's now hold up, make call. But the guy way in our west side there. You gotta go.
We get back alive. We get back alive. They have all that. I got
Eh?
when did you go there? When did you see me?
All the action ways got blocked too.
Hi.
Now we just control those and one of
Which kind?
no sit here, I don't look at that alive.
Jesus Christ. You come out for road now. Oh,
So tough today.
Imagine me when they won't wear white.
Where were you?
Now why they wear?
That's
That's why
I don't think go Johnny. We are
I don't know. Now black are they always wear. Now from where they come. So now waiting we wear come on every day. And I don't get time to go to change.
I am not telling what the
Like serious.
You don't do it, enter.
I know they enter car from roadside. I don't enter car from roadside. I park and they go. But that place don't get park.
finally.
God, you love your children.
Your driver. God do too. Cross.
You understand? Now driver we go the thanks. Now
You get the mind. You get the mind.
mind. See the colleagues where I tell them say may we follow up, they say no. And one GUO, that GUO you dey your front.
Yeah,
now that side didn't follow. Go carry the whole passenger. I say now.
Everyone, if you can't take risk.
Now true.
And anything will happen for this motor where I follow that, you don't have my care.
Yes, sir.
This is that.
Hey God.
Yes, sir. I heard this to Abachi. Glory be to God. I have Potago. I heard this to Abachi. Yes, sir. Now, I'm going to one day. Thank you, sir. every year, every Easter.
Anapụta ya, anakọta chụọ ego ọzọ.
See that?